Today's Bible verse comes from John chapter 1, verse 12, King James Version. But as many as received him, to them he gave power to become the sons of God, even to them that believe on his name. John 1:12 states, Yet to all who receive him, to those who believe in his name, he gave the right to become children of God. This verse explains that salvation is a gift received by actively trusting in Jesus, granting believers a new status, legal authority, and intimate relationship with God as his adopted children. Key takeaways. Number 1, receiving versus believing. It is not enough to just know about Jesus. Receiving implies welcoming him personally, while believing in his name means trusting entirely in his identity, authority, and sacrifice. Number 2, the right authority. The Greek word exousia refers to a legal right or authority, meaning God formally legitimizes believers as his children. Number 3, adoption and transformation. Becoming a child of God is a spiritual, supernatural change, not based on merit, lineage, or human effort. And number 4, universal access. This promise is available to all who believe, removing distinctions of background or status. Amen.